Dongguan Vulcanpro Silicone Rubber Industrial Company Limited was founded in 2009, located in Hengli Town, Dongguan City, China, integrating R&D and sales center. Our company occupies an area of 8,000 square meters manufacturing plant with over 105 staffs. We are mainly engaged in silicone baby product, such as baby bib, baby teether, baby bowl and plate, baby spoon, silicone baby toys, silicone kitchenware, silicone bakeware, silicone containers, and silicone accessories. Meanwhile, our factory has passed SEDEX audit and ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certificate. All the products are being sold very well in Europe, America, and Asia. Strict QC guidelines guarantees our high-quality products at competitive prices. We produce high-quality product for Sanrio, Disney, and Carrefour. Our products are conformed to international standards such as FDA, LFGB, and even platinum silicone. We are increasingly expanding our international market share based on quality products, excellent service, reasonable price, and timely delivery. We insist on first quality, first trust, and first service as our business principle, hoping to cooperate with more clients for mutual development and benefits. We sincerely welcome potential clients to contact us and establish a long-term, cooperative, and friendly relationship. If you have any silicone items inquiry, please feel free to contact us at any time. OEM and ODM orders are also highly welcomed.